We recommend Wayan. Come with him.
Okay,
He's
thank you.
good driver.
Hello guys, come back again with me, Wayan, one of the driver and also tour organizer from Bali Tour Advisors. So now I'm currently here at the one of the most beautiful place in Bali. This called Pura Ulun Segara Batur with my client from Sudan.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, would you like introduce yourself and tell where you come from?
I am Ala and
I'm Ibrahim.
we came from Sudan, Africa.
Okay.
We visit Bali. We are
Bali.
here for 2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks, yeah.
We find Wayan by chance, but he's a good driver, so we applied with him.
Thank you so much. So, do you like tour with Bali Tour Advisor?
Of course, yeah. We recommend it.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, now we will visiting Pura Segara. This in Kintamani area near the Batur Lake. The Batur Lake. This one of the most beautiful place also. Here, not so much tourists coming here. I will show you what the name. Guys, today I'm here at Pura Segara Ulun Danu Batur, one of the most important temple in Bali. This temple is beautifully located right on the source of Lake Batur, with the majestic Mount Batur as the background. The name of this temple has deep meaning. Ulu means head or center and Danu means lake. So Ulun Danu can be translated as the head or the source of the lake, symbolizing the source of life itself. This temple is dedicated to Dewa Segara, or the guardian of the waters, and Dewi Danu, or the goddess of the lake and fertility. That's why this temple is very important for the Balinese people, especially for the farmers, because the waters from Lake Batur are the main source of the irrigation across many parts of Bali. Here, major ceremonies are often held to ask for fertilized land, abundant harvest, and the balance of nature. During the ceremony, thousands of Hindu devotees come from all over Bali to make offering. Besides its spiritual role, this temple also offering stunning view, the calm lake, the mountains, and peaceful atmosphere all around make it truly special. So, if you guys come to Bali, don't miss the chance to visit Pura Segara Ulun Danu Batur. It's not only beautiful, but also give you a deep spiritual experience. Are you guys planning holiday to Bali? Or maybe you already here? But sometimes it's not easy to find trustworthy private driver who also speak good English, right? But don't you guys worry. That's why Bali Tour Advisor is here for you. All of our driver is very friendly, experienced, and also professional. We can even customize your itinerary. So you choose where you would like to go and then let us take care of all of the rest. And here is the bonus. All of our driver can help you taking amazing picture by your mobile phone. So you will have best holiday memory here in Bali. With us, your comfort and safety is our priority. So relax, enjoy your holiday, and we promise you will satisfied with us. So what you guys waiting for? Contact us today and let's explore Bali together. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we'll see you guys soon in Bali. Bye bye.